Okay, folks, I am going to unbox a new to me Grand Seiko SBGA 149. You don't find too much about this particular reference number for some reason. I don't know why. It's fairly rare because I don't know. I have no idea. But there's the 147 SBGA 147, which is the white face, and then this one here, that's the black face. You just don't find much about them on the internet. I found one review, but it was Japanese. This was bought on eBay, and I got this little eBay card here. See what it says. Oh, it's very nice. Now they give you a card, you see. Before they gave you a sheet of paper. And they give you a little card with the serial number. That's quite nice, actually. I like this authentication as a buyer. I've sold a few. I don't like it so much as the authentication. They give you some card here that tells you what the authentication benefits are. Great for the buyer. How's the light here? I think the lighting is not so hot. I'm going to have to turn on some more lights. But here it is. Here's the box. It looks quite nice. It looks quite new, this box, actually. Let me turn on some lights here on the other side. There we go. So, let's check this guy out. Grand Seiko. Open it up here. This looks quite nice. Oh, my name and everything on it. And the price. I didn't want to put the price, but I got a very good price on this thing. I got it for this. It's a Spring Drive, by the way. It's SBGA 149. Let's see if we can pull this out like this. Oh, that's very nice. Let's see what we get here. We get some paperwork. We get a Grand Seiko booklet. Oh, quite nice. And we get Grand Seiko warranty. Let me put on my better glasses here. Let's see, what is this? This is the limited warranty. Let's see if it's stamped or anything. Oh, it is. SBGA 149, 12/02/2019, I guess is when this thing started. It doesn't have a name of the owner. And has a serial number. I'm not sure how long the warranty is. Let's see. The warranty is limited warranty. I have a hard time reading this. It's for a period of 3 years. Oh, so it's still under warranty. Interesting. Still under warranty until month is next December. So almost a year left of warranty. That's real nice. I'll take a look at the watch. It's it looks quite new, actually. It doesn't look used at all. Wow. This is a nice looking watch, I must admit. Yeah, look at that. You see that watch? It has no reserve, power reserve. Time is 3:20. Okay, let's see here. I might have to wind it a little bit. Get it started. 3:20. it can be hand wound, as you can tell. I see the power reserve going up. It doesn't wind like a regular mechanical watch. It has a different sound, which is kind of cool. I got it. If you can see, the power reserve is going up there. It's a screw down. Screw down. A crown. It's very light. It's titanium, and it is in pristine condition. Look at that. This is a very, very nice watch. I'm very, very happy with it. Wow. It's nicer than I thought. It's very light. I guess it's all titanium. It's a nice clasp. It's light. Like I say, I'm wearing this. It's a Omega, the Bond, the you know what that is. What do they call these? The Seamaster. Yeah, the Seamaster Pro. And it's much, much heavier. Now the one thing I wasn't sure of is this thing going to fit me? Perfect. Well, yeah, I guess I need to take maybe a link out, but quite nice, huh? What a watch. And as you can see, this is kind of like this is from the authenticators, I guess it says. No returns if removed. Well, I better leave it on just for now. But I don't think I'm going to return this sucker. It is a beautiful watch. Wow, look at that. Let me see, the case back is not, no, it's not, it's just a solid case back. And it's got the Grand Seiko medallion in the middle. You can't, can you see that? It's got this, I don't know if that's the blue is something that came with it. I'll have to check that out. There's a blue like sticker on there. Anyway, let's go over this watch. It's got a black face, and it is Spring Drive. It has the Seiko logo on top. You see that? Well, now the newer ones, they just put they don't put Seiko up there anymore. It's just Grand. There's a GS logo up there. I don't mind having the Seiko. In fact, I suspect that in the modern era, these are going to be worth more with the Seiko on them. Okay, that's just from my own experience. But it is a darn beautiful watch. I can only compare it to the Omega, which is also a very nice watch. Very good, but you know, this is not a diver like the Omega. But it is a very, very nice looking watch, and doesn't look like it has any kind of adjustment. Well, this is interesting. It's got like the original protection on the. You know, this watch does not look like it's ever been used. I mean, this is really something. I don't get it. I mean, you look out sometimes on eBay, but this does not have one tiny scratch on it. It looks brand new, and like I say, it's got this looks like factory protection here on that side, like it's never been used before. And like I say, I got a really good price for these Spring Drives like this. A really good price for it. So let's take a look at this. It's got a black face, and if it looks like it has I'm looking at the it's just a black matte face, dial face. Nothing, no vertical lines as somebody mentioned at one time, and it's not the snowflake look. It's just a black face, which I like. One of the things I don't like about white faces is sometimes they're hard to read. This is very easy to read, It doesn't look like it has any loom on it. The bezel is not a big bezel, very shiny, and they say that it has that Japanese polishing technique that is very, 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 very nice. Look at that. Has a date. Well, I haven't figured out the date yet. How to do the date. I know it's got a 9 on there. Today is what? I think it's the 7th. So I could go and see how to. Let me pull this sucker out again. It's a screw down crown, as I said. Okay, it's down. Pull out one, and yes, it changes. I don't know if you can tell, but that's how you do the quick set, and unfortunately my eyesight is not that good. I got to go to 7. Four, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we got the date right now, the 7th of January, February 2021. So I got close to another year warranty on this watch. Looks brand new. I'll be honest with you, under $3,000. And for a spring drive, I think that's a pretty good price. Titanium too. And not a lot of these around. SBGA 149. Not too many of around. Take a good look at it for any of you considering if you see these for sale. Titanium, spring drive, just a plain black watch face. One thing's interesting, the power reserve is all surface. See how the power reserve is painted on the surface. I've noticed some of the Grand Seikos have the background is actually a cutaway from the dial. This is just on the surface, so that's quite simple. But it is a nice looking watch, and it's a I don't know, I forget how it's about the same size as the Omega. So I would say it's like a 41. Yeah, but I don't have my calipers here. It looks like a 41. It's a modern size. It's a fairly large. Oh, that's my cat. I don't know what he wants, but oh yeah, he's interrupting. Anyway, folks, this is the SBGA 149. Very nice Grand Seiko. Looks brand new to me, what I got with it. I may have to take at least one link out of it to make it perfect. It's a little loose. It's a little loose. I like them loose, but that might be just a little too loose. Just a little too loose. It's a very nice watch. That's a cat running around. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and until the next watch video, bye-bye.